if we are going to industrialize, which we must, we have to make sure that we develop the infrastructure upon which the businesses that are going to come and invest in Africa and those that are going to be mobilized locally also have to anchor their production systems. That means we need good roads, we need good airports, we need good ports, we need basic infrastructure that makes it easy for a business to function. Africa is not going to be able to industrialize on its own. It will need first markets within the continent and abroad. So it's going to be important that we collaborate. Member states themselves establish partnerships that give them value.
We have enough resources, and the policies probably need to be more inward-looking, where they're supporting the development of local industries. And we also need to find skills that are appropriate to the industrial needs. And again, we need better collaboration between the industry and our learning institutions.